I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integrations. Now select Amelia as a trigger. Copy the webhook URL and fetch. Go to Amelia Dashboard. And go to the setting. View Integrations setting. Webhook. Add new webhook. Give here a meaningful name. And paste the webhook URL. Choose here your desired type. I am choosing the appointment type. Also, choose here your desired action. I am choosing booking status changed. Save. Save. To fetch data, go to Appointment and change the status of the appointment from approved to pending. Go to the Integrations Dashboard. Data fetched successfully. Set action. Now here search and select Groundhogg. Here, give a meaningful integration name as you want. To get the public key and token, few steps. First, go to the Groundhogg setting. Then click on API. Select a user. Click on Generate New API Key. Copy the public key and token. And paste it here. Click on Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Now choose an action from the drop-down. I am selecting Create Contact. Now do the field mapping. Also, you can add meta field. Here are several advanced features available for you to utilize according to your specific requirements. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Groundhogg. Then click Next. Now save the integration. Now go to Amelia Appointment Dashboard and change the status from pending to approved. Now navigate to the Groundhogg. Then Contacts. Here is the data that came into Groundhogg through the integration. Thanks for watching.